Meow. So here's another Maine Coon gesture sketch. I just love the fluid lines that I use in these sketches. I challenge you to do lots of these quick sketches. See, I'm just kind of mapping out the shapes now. Generalizing, summarizing, I guess. Just kind of getting a feel for the shape of the way that cat has its legs. Each perspective is so much different. Doing a lot of correcting along the way here until I'm happy with how it looks, that it looks convincingly like a cat in this crazy position. I'm sure there's a name for this position, but I don't know what it is. If you know, let me know with a comment. And please let me know what you'd like to learn about cat drawing in the comments. That's where I get my ideas for my videos from. Getting a feel for where the eyes will go. See how I've got some lines coming down from the inside of the ears? Yeah, just kind of mapping out some little pockets where I'll put the eyes. And I really like the gesture sketch at this stage. Now is when I start adding some details, which I like too. There's lots of learning in it, but I really love the raw gesture sketch stage where there isn't even really a face yet, just that gesture of a cat sitting there looking. We do have a Facebook group if you'd like to join. You'll find the link for that in the video description below. Cat Drawing Art Workshop. And if you're really into drawing cats, we'd love to have you as part of the community. So click on that link and join us. This cat's got a bit of a wonky face. But you know what? That's okay. I'm okay with that because it just kind of adds to the character. It adds to an interesting look that that cat might be giving you. Just kind of strengthening up the lines that I like here. And letting the others just kind of flow into the background as I do it. Toe beans. Just kind of quickly gesturing them in. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell. Love to see you back again. I'm kind of putting the whiskers in the general direction of my other lines. I see the top ones didn't really do that. The whiskers were kind of like that anyways, but I just try to get them to add to the flow. I just love the look on this kitty. Try not to weigh down the face with too many whiskers. You just need the idea that there are some whiskers there. You don't have to include every single one. I love the rough look, kind of like like, what, did you wake me up? Look, that I think I captured in this, but I'm not sure that that's what the cat in the photograph really looked like. But I just allow my drawing to be what it is. And our own emotions show through our art, and perhaps I was feeling like that cat is at the time I drew it. I am, of course, doing a voiceover now. That's what works best for me. So I guess we're going to finish up pretty quick here. Thank you so much for watching.